Last year we had visitors coming from 36 different countries. And to have them here at Windmill Island in Holland, Michigan, and see that smile on those faces when they come and see and they get out of the car and say, "Whoa, look at this." I think that's the best compliment that they can give us, that smile. I think it cheers people up. It gives them that smile. That smiles are so important. I'm working on it myself. I love to smile more and more, but that's what a flower does. That's why they say it with flowers in the Netherlands. It just cheers up people. That's what it does.